Welcome to another video. And as usual, before I get started, go ahead and smash that like and subscribe if you're new to this content. And to my current subscribers, I appreciate you guys more than you know. So hey, let's just get right into it. So at the time of making this video, the Safemoon price is 30174. Bitcoin is at 30,000. And Safemoon went through what is known as has continued to go through the process, what is known as a software development life cycle. That life cycle involved them doing major bug fixes and improvements to the Safemoon Wallet. And one of the key things that actually stood out to me in the Safemoon Wallet is the Wallet Connect. Now, I do understand a lot of people go ahead and read through the different line by line and what they have made changes to. And yes, those are very, very important. But the key thing that actually stood out to me as a person that actually works in IT on a day-to-day basis, in particular in what is known as the Software Development Team, I look at that Wallet Connect going from version 1 to version 2 as very, very massive. Now, for those of you, normally a life cycle with a software development will normally go from version 1.1 to 1.2, etc. in a sequential standpoint. To go from version 1 to version 2 is huge. And that let me know that development team has been working on that product for quite some time, and they have incorporated a lot of different key features to go through such a massive jump to version 1 to version 2. Now, we do see when the build release comes out, the build will go in a sequential standpoint from version 1.1, 1.2, etc., based on a date and a date period starting from June, July, etc. But to go from version 1 from version 1.2, that is pretty heavy. And the fact that it's including things such as the Safemoon swap improvement when working with different dApps, in reference to adding different bug fixes, that's a lot of coding, guys. A lot of coding goes involved in that, and that development team has done a lot of testing from a user application testing standpoint. That takes time. And for those of you that are just waiting on the build, that testing requires a lot of rigorous testing and a lot of hours, a lot of manpower to get the product out. And the fact that I see Safemoon taking their time and going ahead and improving on that product, that makes me very, very confident and very, very happy to be a person to go ahead and relay this information to you from an IT perspective, that they're making really, really good improvements. And I want to be that eyes to go ahead and bring you that information to let you guys know the Safemoon Wallet is maturing nice, and it's growing very, very good. And I see very, very good things that come out from Safemoon. And for those people that are constantly saying that Safemoon is not going to go anywhere, they don't really understand what Safemoon is doing. I know where Safemoon is going from a technical standpoint. No company that you consider to be a scam is going to go ahead and put in the time and money, millions of hours from a development team. And guys, just to let you guys know, tech guys are not cheap. And it takes a very, very big software development team, and those guys charge in excess between $50, $60, and $70 an hour per person to go ahead and write code and put in overtime hours to go ahead and put in this code to go ahead and develop such an amazing product. So I want you guys to just put that in perspective for a minute, what technical software development team do on a day-to-day basis, as well as an infrastructure team, to making sure that the servers are running at an optimum performance speed to go ahead and support the product that the Safemoon Wallet software is running on, to go ahead and deliver this product to you guys on a day-to-day basis as you go ahead and use that application on the on your iPhone or your iPhone, etc. So if a company is a scam, do you think they're gonna go ahead and put in that type and spend that kind of money to go ahead and put out such a solid product and get approval from Apple, that Apple will go ahead and give them the okay to deliver that product? Just think for that for a minute. So that's why I'm keep trying to tell you guys, do not listen to those people saying that Safemoon is a scam company, and they're gonna go ahead and steal your money. In addition, that they're gonna go ahead and also spend millions of dollars to go ahead and to build a Safemoon exchange. So quantify that for a minute. The amount of hours that the project management team is going to go ahead and hire software developers and IT team, that's going to require millions of dollars for them to go ahead and implement a product to go ahead and bring to the world, basically, to go ahead and use. So just think about that for a minute. So I'm hoping you guys are enjoying this video, and for those of you that are watching this video for the first time, go ahead and smash the like and subscribe, because I'm going to bring it to you from an IT perspective. And I work with development teams on a day-to-day basis. Even today, in the software development team perspective, I know what it takes to get a product out. And this is what I do for a day-to-day as my career. And I know for a fact that Safemoon is the real deal. And for those of you that are getting in for the first time and you want to know should you buy or get involved in Safemoon, I can tell you guys, you need to get in now. Because once Safemoon come with their products, it's going to be a game changer. And until I see you guys again, you guys have a good day.